Chapter 1. Airplane Systems Description. Flight Control System. Virus SW-80 features flap ailerons, elevators, and rudder as flying control surfaces. Full dual main flight control levers make the airplane ideal for basic and advanced flight training. Flight controls viz., flaps, ailerons and elevators are connected to cabin controls using self-fitting push-pull tubes. Rudder is controlled via cables connected to pedals. Elevator trim is electromechanical, driving a spring mechanism, with a common cockpit switch available to both pilots. Flap ailerons are installed at the trailing edge of each wing. Two different control levels are used for flaps and ailerons. Lateral movement of the dual flight control stick affects the aileron movement of the flap aileron, while a flap lever located between both seats is used for facilitating movement of flaps. The flaps offer three position settings viz., position 0, bottommost, for fully retracted, position 1, middle, for 15 degrees extended and position 2, top, for 25 degrees extended. Questions. Question number 1. What type of control surfaces are featured in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Ailerons, elevators, and rudder. B. Flap ailerons, elevators, and rudder. C. Spoilers, elevators, and rudder. D. Flaps, elevators, and rudder. Question number 2. What makes the Virus SW-80 aircraft ideal for basic and advanced flight training? A. Single main flight control lever. B. Full dual main flight control levers. C. Automated flight control system. D. Advanced autopilot system. Question number 3. How are the flight controls, flaps, ailerons, and elevators connected to the cabin controls in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Using hydraulic lines. B. Using self-fitting push-pull tubes. C. Using electrical wires. D. Using mechanical linkages. Question number 4. How is the rudder controlled in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Via hydraulic lines connected to pedals. B. Via cables connected to pedals. C. Via electrical wires connected to pedals. D. Via mechanical linkages connected to pedals. Question number 5. What type of mechanism is used for the elevator trim in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Hydraulic mechanism. B. Electromechanical mechanism driving a spring mechanism. C. Mechanical lever. D. Pneumatic system. Question number 6. Where are the flap ailerons installed in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. At the leading edge of each wing. B. At the trailing edge of each wing. C. On the fuselage. D. On the tail section. Question number 7. How is the aileron movement of the flap aileron controlled in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. By a flap lever located between both seats. B. By lateral movement of the dual flight control stick. C. By a joystick. D. By a control wheel. Question number 8. What are the three position settings for the flaps in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Position 0, fully retracted, position 1, 10 degrees extended, position 2, 20 degrees extended. B. Position 0, fully retracted, position 1, 15 degrees extended, position 2, 25 degrees extended. C. Position 0, fully retracted, position 1, 20 degrees extended, position 2, 30 degrees extended. D. Position 0, fully retracted, position 1, 5 degrees extended, position 2, 15 degrees extended. Question number 9. What is the purpose of the flap lever located between both seats in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. To control the elevator trim. B. To facilitate the movement of flaps. C. To control the rudder. D. To adjust the ailerons. Question number 10. What is the function of the dual flight control stick in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. To control the rudder. B. To control the elevator trim. C. To control the aileron movement of the flap aileron. D. To control the flap settings. Question number 11. How is the elevator trim controlled in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. Through individual switches for each pilot. B. Through a common cockpit switch available to both pilots. C. Through a joystick. D. Through a control wheel. Question number 12. How many different control levels are used for flaps and ailerons in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Question number 13. What is the purpose of having two different control levels for flaps and ailerons in the Virus SW-80 aircraft? A. To simplify the control system. B. To provide independent control for flaps and ailerons. C. To reduce the weight of the aircraft. D. To enhance the aerodynamic performance. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.